Let's paint 3 Wargs, wild beasts of Middle-earth, each with a different colour scheme. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. For the first Warg, start by applying a layer of clean water all over the model using a large brush. This helps dilute the paint and allows it to flow smoothly and settle quickly into the recesses. While it's still wet, apply Gravelord Grey all over. To add contrast on the longer fur, apply a layer of grim black. Don't forget the fur on the feet and hind legs. For the second Warg, apply a full coat of Desolate Brown. We're not using water here, so you'll need to work quickly with a fully loaded brush to avoid patchiness. For the longer fur, mix Desolate Brown with Dark Wood and apply that as a second layer. On the third Warg, we go back to the water trick because Dark Wood is a very saturated paint. The water helps thin it out and improve the flow. Apply the water layer first, then while still wet, cover the model with Dark Wood. For the longer fur, apply a second coat of Dark Wood directly for a deeper tone. Finish each Warg with facial details. Slaughter red for the tongue. murder scene for the lips. Grim black for the nose and eyes. Three wargs, each with their own savage tone, finished and ready to hunt in the wilds of Middle-earth.